Hello, guys. Is your boy Gavin here? So, I'm gonna be showing you pictures of the fire alarm system at my hotel that I'm staying at. I have 2 more days, but I thought I'd show you the system. So, let's get started. First, we got the main panel at the main lobby, which is right over here. So, now, we got a scroll. We got a simplex mini sounder. They're in the hotel rooms. So, then we got an exit sign right here. Looks pretty cool. We got a simplex remote strobe that is in the main lobby bathrooms, the breakfast buffet, and one of the hallways. So, a scroll. We got a simplex smoke detector or heat detector. This looks pretty cool. So, now we got a simplex horn strobe right here. I do not know the model number on this, but I know it's a horn strobe. And they're in the hallways, in the pool area. So now, last but not least on this system, we got a simplex T-ball right here. That used to been a double action. Yes, the helmet is gone now. So, and seeing it doesn't have the glass anymore. So, now, that is all it for this system. For stay tuned, we're out.